Alright, hello and welcome back to the lesson 6 of our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the GeForce IT Service Academy. We have a lot of videos on this channel on how to create a school management system, how to develop a database system using Microsoft Excel and Word. So without wasting much time, I want to show you how you can be able to get all those videos on our YouTube channel. What I want you to do is to type the name of the YouTube channel like this on Google, then you'll be able to get it. Please check the name very well. Then you search for podcasts on our YouTube channel, or you click on videos, then you can be able to see all the videos on how to create a school management system, how to develop a school database system, a school assessment system on the YouTube channel here. When you click on playlist, you see all the videos that we have on this channel here in their various categories. When you come to courses here, you have some courses also on the channel here. You select the one that you prefer. Then we come to the podcast again. You locate the current course that we are running on this particular channel. So Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. So when you click on it, you should be able to see the videos that we have uploaded under that particular podcast. So without wasting much time, let's just continue to begin our classes today on how to do some formattings in Microsoft Excel. So we want to insert some words and format them. So we have Ghana here, we have Accra here, we have Kumasi here, Kumasi, then we have the final one here as Ho. Good. So what we are going to learn in this lesson is that we want to increase the font sizes of these words. We want to increase the font sizes of these 4 words appearing on the sheet here. So what we are going to do is that we select the first one, Ghana here. We go to the home tab. Then we come to the drop down here. We come to these tools here. We have this one here as what? Increase font size. Then this one as decrease font size. So when you click on this one, the more you tap on it, the more the word will increase. The size of the word will continue to increase. So the same way, when you select the Accra cell and you click on the increase font size, that is how the Accra, the word there will begin to increase. That's how it will continue to increase till the kingdom come, until you stop pressing it. So let's select the Kumasi here. Then we come to the increase font tool here like this. Good. Kumasi is just going. Then we come to the last one here, which is Ho. So when you click on it like this, at the home tab like this, the size of the Ho will begin to increase, yes, to the final section there. So that is how you increase font sizes in Microsoft Excel. That is how you increase the font sizes of words in Microsoft Excel. Now, I want us to learn one thing. That is how to expand the columns, because we want to see all these words in one column. Each word should be in a column. Each of these words here, each of these names should be in a particular column. You check this one, the G is appearing in one column, H in one column. No. We want everything to be in just a column. So what we'll do is that you come to the top here, then you tap on it. You see that the whole place is highlighted. So you make sure that your mouse pointer turns to something like plus or cross sign. Then you press the left button on your keyboard and hold it. Then you drag it to wherever you want it to go for you, like this. So have you seen that the Ghana is now appearing in one column? It is now appearing in one column. So we want to apply the same formatting to the Accra too. So you stand here, stand at this point, make sure that the mouse pointer turns to something like the plus sign or the cross sign. Then you press the left button on your keyboard, your computer keyboard. Then you hold it, you drag it to this side. Have you seen that the Accra is also appearing in just a column. So we do the same thing to the Kumasi too. Select this one like this. Make sure that the mouse pointer turns into something like cross. You move it to this one like that. Have you seen that the Kumasi is also appearing in just a column? Then we do the same thing. So you press this side of the sheet to move to wherever you want to move to. You press this one to come back. Good. So let's just come to the top here because we can see the H in column Q. Let's just select it like this. Then make sure that the mouse pointer turns to something like the cross or the plus sign. You press and hold the left button on your computer mouse. Then you drag it to wherever you want it to be for you. So have you seen that all the names of these places are appearing in just a column? They are all appearing in one column. Each of these words is appearing on what? Just a column. Okay, so we want to do another thing, that is to apply theme color to them. So you select the cell that you want to apply the color to. Come to this one, give it this color. I think that is good. You come to the Accra, select the cell. We go to the home tab here, click on the drop down here, select this color here. Please, have you seen it? So we are just applying colors to those words in the various columns, in the various cells, without any stress and without any challenge. So we do the same thing for this one too. The Kumasi is also here. Good. So let's do it for the last one, the last cell, that is whole. Then we come to this one here, select this color for whole. Good. So we have successfully applied colors to all the names appearing in all the cells inside this particular worksheet. So the next thing that I want us to learn is that I want us to see all these words appearing at the center, at the middle of the cells. You could see that the whole is being aligned to the left. So let's just select the whole like that. Select it. Then we go to the home tab. Then we come to the alignment tools here. Then we click on center. This one is what? Align left. This one is align right. This one is align center. Just like that. So we apply the same thing to the Kumasi too. Like this. So we align center. Then the Accra too, we align center. Good. So that is how we align text to the center, we align words to the center, and we align alphabets to the center in Microsoft Excel application. And so another thing that I want us to learn is that you could see that the whole is not appearing at the middle of this particular column. So what we will do is that we'll come to the home tab here. Then you see these three tools here. We have the top align tool here, we have the middle align tool here, then we also have the bottom align tool here. So we select the top align tool here. Okay, so before that thing can work, we need to reduce the size of the words in the various cells. But because we don't want this lesson to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in the next lesson. So your assignment is that you insert the name of 3 communities in the Microsoft Excel worksheet. You apply these formattings to them, then you send it to the numbers appearing on your screens on WhatsApp for marking. So let's meet in the next lesson. Once again, my name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the Joe Foster IT Service Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that you receive the next video from us on this channel. Also share with your friends. Bye.